Hello and welcome to my health medicine. In this video, we are going to talk about the disease called gigantism, which is similar to the word giant, by which you can make a relation between giant and gigantism. In this video, we will know about the causes, treatment, and the possible information related to the disease called gigantism. So, without wasting any time, let's get straight to this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel Health Medicine, please do subscribe for the more interesting videos like this. Firstly, we will know about the overview of this disease called gigantism. Gigantism is a rare condition that causes abnormal growth in children. It occurs when your pituitary gland makes too much growth hormone, also known as somatotropin. We all know that inside our brain there is an endocrine gland called pituitary gland, which releases growth hormone, which is useful to maintain our growth. If there are some defects in the pituitary gland, it can release too much or excessive of growth hormone, which is result in disease called gigantism. Specialty of this disease is endocrinology because it is caused by the defect in the pituitary gland and it is a endocrine gland, by which you can understand the specialty is endocrinology. Symptoms include abnormal growth in height or size. Weakness may also be felt. Complications includes excessive sweating, delayed puberty, weakness and severe headache. Causes includes hyperplasia in pituitary gland. Hyperplasia means increased in the amount of organic tissue, also known as hypergenesis. Treatments are of two types, surgically and pharmaceuticals. Surgically removing of pituitary gland, defect part of the pituitary gland. Medications includes octreotide or lanreotide. Now we will know about the causes in depth. Gigantism is characterized by excessive of GH, also known as somatotropin. This excess of growth hormones that brings about gigantism is virtually always caused by pituitary gland. Adenomas. These adenomas are on the anterior pituitary gland. Adenomas means defects in the pituitary gland. As a result of excessive amount of somatotropin, children achieve height that are well above the average. Other health complications such as hypertension may occur in pediatric patients with hypersecretion of GH. Hypertension means increased blood pressure. Hormonal causes that can include in this disease are growth hormone and insulin-like growth factor 1. Insulin-like growth factor 1 are the two substances that have been identified as influencing growth plate formation of bone growth, thus leads to the disease called gigantism. Without wasting any further time, now we will know about the treatment of this disease, or what are the treatment includes in this disease. There are two treatment. One is pharmaceutical and other is surgical. We will not take a look into the surgical process. We will know about the pharmaceuticals process done to treat with this disease. There is one drug called pegvisomant, is one pharmaceutical drug which has received attention for being a possible treatment route for gigantism. The patient with gigantism is treated by the drug called pegvisomant. What does this pegvisomant drug do to the patient or does to the patient? After treatment with the pegvisomant, high growth rates of future characteristics of gigantism can be significantly decreased. There are many treatments for gigantism received criticism and are not accepted as ideal. Various treatments involving surgery and drugs have been used to treat gigantism. The maximum or common age group is between 11 to 13 years old. I mean to say that the children, those who are between 11 to 13 years, that are seen to have more causes from gigantism. This much was only in this video. If you like the information given in this video, please do subscribe our channel for the more interesting video like this. Thank you so much.